Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be going over how to mount your PS5 to the wall. Should give it a pretty clean look. This is a Alien Energy or Ally Energy mount. I got it off of Amazon. I think it was like 30 bucks, 35 bucks maybe. See how it works. You guys want to get the same thing? We'll go through just a how to mount it to your wall. Preferably, I'm going to put it into the wall. Right behind me here, kind of where it's at now, just mount it on the wall just so I have some more desk space for other things. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so I'm going to make this pretty simple. I'm going to try to use all the tools that they give you here. So I have my tape measure here. I want the PS5 to be about level with where my desktop is. So my desktop is about 30.5 inches, so that's kind of what I'm going to go for as far as where I mark this for the bottom of the plate. I want that to be about 30.5 inches up. I also wanted some room away from here, but I don't want it too far this way. I'm going to try to maybe line it up with the electrical outlet right here. Let's mark it, and I'll show you how we do it from there. Put my level on here, and I'm just going to make a line here. I'll just make sure this is level for reference. Then for these holes, I'm going to use this little hole punch, center punch here, and this will just make an easy guide for my drill bit. Just so you guys can see here, got it held up. Just put that little bubble right there, make sure it's in the middle. And then I just center punched all these holes all the way up. And then the PS5 will slide right into there. Very simple. I'm going to use these drywall anchors that they gave us in the pack, and we're just going to pop them right into these holes. All right, now we've got our 3 holes drilled out, and I've put these drywall anchors in here, as you can see. Kind of clean off that excess drywall. And we've got our plate here. And then what we'll do is we'll just drill this right into the wall. It should be real simple like that. Don't want to go too crazy on it. Doesn't need to be. All right. So that's on there now. It's on there pretty good. All right, so next we'll take the PS5 here, and all it does is there's a little lip right here, just catches the top of this back flap here, and then underneath is where that screw is that you would mount it to if you were standing up on that stand that comes with it. You just slide it so this top lip here, and then just line it up on the bottom. There's a bunch of holes I'll show you. All right, as you can see on the bottom here, there's a bunch of holes. And there's one, see how it's lined up right in the middle there, and we'll just screw this right into there. Comes with this nice aluminum screw, and it'll go right into there. Down nice and tight, then you're all set. I was showing you earlier, this where a controller can go. All right, so there it is mounted, guys. Just grabs this little lip right here, holds onto it, and then underneath, you can see the bolt. Right here is the screw on for the bottom, so it holds it in place. It doesn't slide back and forth. You still have about a 4-inch gap there for all the cords. I'll show you how it looks when all the cords are set up here. So I've got my power cord and my Ethernet cord zip line together so they can just snap right in there. I tuck them under the drywall here and they just kind of go right up the wall. And they're kind of out of sight, out of mind. I can just slide my desk right back into place here. All right, guys, here's the overall setup of it. As you can see, I moved it from where this little succulent plant was, and now it's just kind of over here out of the way. I don't think there would be any kind of ventilation. It'd be just like if you were laying it down. So I think ventilation-wise, it still should work out pretty nice. And as you can see, I ran the HDMI cable right through here. So now I just have a little bit more space. I can put my iPad right here. So these here are pretty nice. These are for your controller, and also for, this one mounts to the wall, I believe, or you could mount it to the wall. And then this one just latches right on there. You can hang your headphones right there. Or you can just throw your controller right on there. And it works out really great, actually. And it looks really nice too. All right, guys, well, thanks for watching. I think it turned out pretty nice. It just gives me a little bit more room. I can put my iPad up here now, and just kind of declutters the desk, which I like a lot. I hated it kind of being right next to my monitor here. Very easy install. Without filming, it probably would have taken me 5 minutes. They give you everything included, and it seems very sturdy. And for 35 bucks, I mean, it's really a really good way of just kind of decluttering your space. If you play on your TV, you could mount it behind your TV, and it kind of just puts it out of the way. You know, kind of nice just to keep it over there, and I can just unplug the HDMI cable from my monitor, and I'm able to move my desk around without having to worry about this thing falling everywhere or falling off the desk. So it's not going to go anywhere if I unplug it. I can move my desk around. If you guys have any questions, please put them below, and I'll do what I can to answer them. If not, find an answer for you. And thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe this video if you want to see more stuff like this. This is kind of going to be a channel of a little bit of everything that I enjoy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.